everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday, and today I'm excited to unbox the Xbox 1TB Series S. Yes, it's the 1TB that everyone's been waiting for. We'll open it up, show you what you get in the box, take a closer look at the carbon black Xbox. And if you are interested, of course, I will have it linked below in the description for more information, or if you do want to pick one up for yourself. But let's go ahead and dive right into the Xbox Series S 1TB. So here it is, the 1TB Xbox Series S in carbon black. I can't wait to pull this out, have a closer look at the color. But again, it's the carbon black. Now some of the specs I just want to quickly go over with you here. Gaming at up to 120 frames per second, and this is due to the Xbox Velocity architecture. It's got a 1TB solid state drive, variable refresh rate, high dynamic range, and disc-free gaming. So this does not have a drive in it. You can play games, you can sign up for the Xbox Game Pass or buy games from the Xbox Store. Now included in the box, and of course we'll pull this all out in a moment, of course is the console, the controller, a high-speed HDMI cable, and it is wireless networking compatible. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back quickly. Of course, power your dreams, some more information there. And this side just has a picture of the console. So let's go ahead and pull this open. So there's the console there. We'll have a look at that in a moment. But first off, let's see what you get up here at the top. So of course we get our product and regulatory guide right there. And we've got a few cables in here as well. Let's see what we've got here. We've got that high-speed HDMI cable, and that seems really thick and well built. So that's what that looks like. You've got your power cable. That looks like that. And I'm assuming this is the controller. Let's pull that out and have a look. So yes, it's the carbon black controller. It did come with 2 Duracell batteries. And that's what it looks like there in the carbon black. It's got the textured triggers, really sleek. Feels really nice. XYAB. Excited to use this. And I think that's everything up top here. Now let's have a closer look at the Xbox itself. Oh, there's some paperwork underneath here as well. So a quick setup guide or getting started guide. It shows you what all the plugs are, how to put the batteries in, etc. And on the Xbox itself, it says power your dreams. We'll slide that off. Some tape here on the end. We'll open that up. It's like a Christmas present. It's all wrapped up nice here. And there's the console there, the carbon black Xbox Series S in 1TB. Lots of venting here at the top and on both sides. Like that. I did notice this side here has 4 rubber feet, so if you do want to stand it up vertically, you can do that. Here on the front, of course, it's fairly plain. There's not a lot here, but you've got the Xbox button, connection button, and a USB-A port. And then on the bottom here, not much here, but 4 rubber feet, some more venting, and there's kind of an Easter egg here. It's hard to see. It says Xbox right here, but right here, tiny little letters, it says hello from Seattle. And then here on the back, of course, we'll go over the ports. We've got our Ethernet port, 2 USB ports, an HDMI out, and a storage expansion, as well as our power connector port right there. So all the ports there on the back. Really nice looking console. I can't wait to get this all hooked up in the carbon black. Now, once you've got your Xbox all set up, you'll have access to the user interface here, or you can head on into the Xbox Store. Now in here, you'll have access to the Xbox Game Pass, which is a monthly subscription service, which has hundreds of games on it available to play, or you can purchase games individually, and some are also free. You can also download and rent movies in here as well. In here as well, there's also an app section where you can download your favorite apps from YouTube to Netflix to Disney Plus to Spotify, so you can have access to all your favorite entertainment options. So I'm really loving the look and the feel of this 1 TB Xbox Series S in carbon black. I think it would make a great addition to your home entertainment center. Hope you did enjoy this unboxing. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.